Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you banana bread. You need 6 very ripe bananas. I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar. The first cup wasn't very full, so I'm going to smash this up, the bananas and sugar. I'm going to add 1 box of instant pudding. This is what makes the banana bread very tender and very moist. So we add this, and I'm giving you the exact measurements on this recipe, but I will also post it on the website. I'm placing 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'm adding 1 cup of raisins. One tablespoon of cinnamon. One-4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now, any of you, I hope you're watching this video because this is the banana bread I made for you and Edna before, so make sure you watch this video that way you can get the recipe. Mix it up. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Added the 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to add 1 cup of almonds, but you can add whatever kind of nuts you like. This is what I had on hand. They already chopped up. So this is what I'm adding to my banana bread. I'm gonna mix it up, the almonds, and you don't add eggs to this because then the bananas take the place of the eggs, okay? So now I'm gonna add the melted butter, 1 stick of melted butter. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. I'm going to add 2 cups of white flour. Add in the other cup of flour. You can make muffins out of this banana bread, or you can make the loaf pan. I haven't quite decided which one I'm going to do yet, but we'll see. 1 cup of milk. And you want to mix it well. Now it's ready to go in the pans. We want to spray your pans. I'm using 2 loaf pans today. I'm using 2 loaf pans. You spray them really well. You want to fill them half full, and now you want to add some brown sugar in between the bottom layer and the top layer. I added 4 tablespoons of brown sugar to the pan. There you can see it. And now I'm gonna do the I added the 4 tablespoons of brown sugar in each pan. I added another layer of batter on top of each one. Now I'm going to sprinkle 1 tablespoon of brown sugar on each top of them. Okay. Now I added the 1 tablespoon brown sugar on top of it. I'm going to place it in a 350-degree oven and let it cook for 1 hour.